Yo, it's M3menzt0x, and today I just wanted to show you this wallpaper that can actually kill your Android phone. Sorry. And I swear it actually happens, and I'm not joking. There's this wallpaper that actually kills your phone. It is this wallpaper. This is the original photo, and this is a copy of the photo, and it's meant to be a wallpaper. Now I'm going to show you why this can actually kill your phone. First, we have to understand this. This is the let me write this down. It's the sRGB. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. Sorry if I got that wrong. This is the one where Android understands. This is the panel where Android understands. And if we can dig deeper, this is the Adobe. This is the Adobe panel, and we actually have a bigger one, which is like that. I think, yeah, about like that, which is the hardest one. Android can't understand it. It is called, let me just write this down, GoPro or something? No. Seriously, no. ProShot, I guess. Sorry guys, I need to just, sRGB, and we have panel, Pro. What is bigger than sRGB? Adobe RGB. There's Adobe. Oh. Well, I don't know, but there's this. I'm just gonna call it Pro, I guess. Yeah, it's like that. It's the largest. And let's go back to that photo. So, this is the wallpaper. Among Us phone wallpaper. Okay, so yeah, it's like that. And the image here has sRGB. Doesn't have sRGB. It has a whole Pro RGB, and this is why your Android phone will crash if you do this. Maybe iOS too. I don't know, or Apple. Yeah. So, or yeah, in some Samsung. I'm gonna tell you ways you can protect your phone using this. The first way is, I'm just going to use this because I'm not going to use my phone right now. You could take a screenshot of it. Yeah, I'm stupid. Very stupid. Okay. So you could take a screenshot. Just like this. Or you could also use sRGB converter. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, you know what? I give up. Yeah. Well, you can also like convert ProShot or Adobe Panel or Adobe RGB to sRGB. And I hope you had a good time, good morning, afternoon, evening, or anytime. Yeah. I hope you had a good time watching this video, and I'll see you next time in the next video.